নমস্কার, ওয়েলকাম টু ডক্টরস অন কল। আজকে আমি মৌসুমী 24 আওয়ার্স টিভি চ্যানেলে নিয়ে এসেছি এমন একজন গেস্টকে যাদের কাছ থেকে আপনাদের হতে পারে রিয়েল লাইফ প্রবলেমের সলিউশন। এবং আজকে 1 জুলাই ন্যাশনাল ডক্টরস ডে। ডক্টর বিধান চন্দ্র রায়ের আজকে শুভ জন্মদিন। সেই উপলক্ষে সারা পশ্চিমবঙ্গে আজকে হচ্ছে অনুষ্ঠান এবং আমাদের সঙ্গে আজকে স্টুডিওতে গেস্ট অফ অনার হিসেবে রয়েছেন ডক্টর প্রেমা লাল ফ্রম সেন্ট্রাল লন্ডন। নমস্কার প্রেমা।
Namaskar,
Welcome to
Maushmi, and namaskar all my audiences.
today is National Doctors Day, the birthday of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai. So, what message you would love to convey for all the audience today, globally?
I would first of all like to wish Dr. Roy a very happy birthday. And the next thing is, we are honored as doctors that we have got it named after the doctors, and that is really unparalleled opportunity. I would like to tell all the doctors that our main ethic of the profession is patient focus and patient care and dedication to a profession, which was what we took a promise when we took our degrees. So, all my colleagues, please take this message home, and I'm sure all of us are doing what I have told today, and all the best.
Absolutely, Prema. So, being a doctor, it's a huge responsibility to treat people, and you guys has taken the hypnotic oath to treat the patient completely. And being a gynecologist for years, you have treated lots of women in India and outside of India, in central London also. And you have a blessing of God and the grace of God. So now the women's one world is going to open in West Bengal. So at first we would love to know about women's one world.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity, Maushimi. Women's One World is a one stop consultant led medical specialist clinic which is fused with holistic approach as well for the well being of the women, both physical and mental. We try to do innovative specialist care for IVF and infertility, fetal medicine, and we do K laser. We do um, holistic approach for K laser. We do screening blood tests for the babies, and we also do Maushmi aesthetic, which means that women would be beautified as well, as we all have the right to look beautiful and lovely. And apart from that, Mauchmi, we are also doing charity for women who cannot afford, or clinically or financially they would want to attend our clinic, attend our specialist treatment. They can come to our charity center, which would of course be by category and satisfying the needs to be a charity patient.
Great. So, on this Doctor's Day, we have some questions that generally arises in women's mind, and in West Bengal, infertility is often considered a women's problem. How true is this? What do you think? And what percentage of infertility cases are actually due to male factors?
Thank you once again for the question, Maushimi. I would like to convey to my audience that infertility is not only a woman's problem, but infertility is a problem of both men and women. Men contribute to 30 to 40% of the causes, and women contribute to 35 to 45%. Rest are all unknown cause or a definite cause under which the women or the men may fall. That is how it is categorized. And one important cause is whether it is men or women stress. That is a very important cause.
Exactly. So stress leveling getting higher day by day. So what is the solution, and how the couple can actually get a beautiful baby? Because many couples try for years before seeking medical help. At what point should a couple consult a fertility specialist, and what are the biggest mistakes people make by delaying treatment?
Thank you. You have fused in a lot of questions together. I appreciate that. I'm happy to answer all the questions. The first thing is that we should live a healthy life, whether we have got the cause of infertility or not. Quit smoking or reduce smoking, reduce your alcohol level once you become pregnant, then seek, do not get stressed. And if you're very stressed and it is affecting your health, then you need to seek medical advice, or you need to practice holistic, which is a very good way. Yoga meditation is a very good approach to cut down stress. Now, having said that, eating the right normal diet, sleeping well, drinking water, exercise, these should be included in the daily chores of a couple who are trying to get a baby, or a mother who's trying to get pregnant. Now, the next question is, at what stage does the at what stage does the woman actually should seek medical help? The question is, if the woman has no cause of infertility identified, she's a healthy female and the man is a healthy man, then they should strive for 2 years and seek medical help, maybe after 2 years. But if they are above 35, the couple, then they should seek help in 1 year's time, and they should contact the specialist and take advice how to proceed further. But if the couple is very anxious, stressed, they can take help even at 6 months. But they should try normally. By trying normally, I would say that they should have regular intercourse. The woman should test her ovulation as well. She knows it all when she ovulates, and they should do intercourse from 2 days before the ovulation to the time she menstruates every 2 to 3 days.
Great, great, sounds great. So, coming to the first question, Dr. Lal, one question I am finding the answer, that infertility is often considered a women's problem. Is it?
No, I told you it is a combined problem. 35% female, maybe or more, 30 to 40% male, maybe or more, and then rest are unexplained infertility or a cause for infertility.
Great, great. So, coming to the next question, with rising lifestyle related infertility, how much do stress, obesity, smoking, alcohol, and poor sleep really affect fertility? You have answered about stress, so we would love to know about the obesity, smoking, alcohol, and poor sleep pattern.
I will tell you about all these four risk factors. The first thing is, when we are looking at obesity, obesity directly affects both the ovulation, the type of egg produced, right? So it affects the egg, and obesity also affects the quality of sperm. That is why we get a higher rate of infertility in couple who are considered to be obese. We do measure the body mass index, and anyone who is above, say, a BMI of 29% should would be a borderline case, and anyone above 30 we begin to consider it as obesity. I'm talking about body mass index, which is specially done in clinics, infertility clinics, fetal medicine clinics. And if they go and get it done from somewhere else, which are not medical, they might be mistaken because a lot of technical errors or financial gains are involved. So do not do the body mass index anywhere outside the medical clinics. This is my advice.
Exactly. And I hope you are getting phone calls in your phone, but you need to answer those calls because people are calling and trying to tell you their problem and the solution. Yes, we are getting a call.
Okay, I'll take the call.
Yes. Yes, no, I have taken the call. Please tell me. বলুন।
আমি কলকাতা থেকে বলছি
হ্যাঁ
প্রোগ্রাম দেখে
হ্যাঁ
ডক্টরের কাছে কোয়েশ্চেন ছিল।
ইয়েস ইয়েস বলুন বলুন কি প্রশ্ন আছে আপনার?
হ্যাঁ বলছিলাম অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার পিরিয়ডস এর সাইকেলটা মানে টাইমটা লেট হয় আর তার পাশাপাশি ফ্লো খুব কম, তো এটা কি জন্য হয় বা কি প্রতিকার রয়েছে?
আচ্ছা ডক্টর ইয়ার নেম প্লিজ, কোথা থেকে বলছেন এবং আপনার নাম?
আমি রবিবার থেকে বলছি, প্রিয়া দাস।
Acha. Pia Dash has called from Ruby Park and she is saying that she has a late period cycle and she has a less flow of period. So how to solve this problem? Thank you so much. Apni line e thakun, shunte thakun program.
Hello, Priya. Your question is very welcome. The most important bit when we have periods and it is late and the flow is less, we are not worried about the flow or the timing when the period comes. If the period is considered to be regular, if they come between 25 and 28 days, that is the cycle from day 1 to day 25 or day 28. If the period is coming in day 35, it is still regular, but we would like to know which day the woman causes ovulation, which day the woman produces eggs. So we can do a small test which is called the day 21 progesterone to check if Priya is ovulating or not. But I would like to tell Priya, this is an important question in infertility and how to correct it. We would be conducting a clinic which is Coffee with Dr. Lal in Marriott from on Friday and Saturday, and we could take a full history and answer all her questions and give her more solutions than just this blood test and help her to get pregnant. The clinic will start. If she wants to join the clinic, tell her to ring 8274085006 and the discount of 50% is added to the first 20 patients.
All right. So it's a beautiful opportunity for all the women in Kolkata and West Bengal. Dr. Prema Lal with Coffee with Dr. Lal. So those who are really interested, connect with the given number that doctor has given, and very soon we are going to open Women's One World, where there is a one-stop solution for your life and you can get a beautiful life. So come and attend the session with Dr. Prema Lal and solve your problem and have a coffee with Dr. Lal, and you will get genuine discussion and genuine value added what should I say, value added viewpoints, value added viewpoints, and the solutions for your problem. So she is the one stop solution, and she will be available for 5 patients, and the treatment will be there at JW Marriott. So connect with Dr. Lal by the given number. And today we are live with Dr. Lal, and today is Doctor's Day. So today it is your opportunity to connect with Dr. Lal and ask all of your genuine questions. Like Priya has, we are getting another call. We are getting another call. Yes,
Mosmi, just
yes.
just a minute. I will give opportunity to 20 patients. We'll make a solution, and their follow-up will be in the end of August when a clinic will open, and we will have these patients in our register already, and anything extra which is needed will be done then. But on in Marriott, during the consultation, we'll try to do maximum help to her, whatever we can, and optimize the care.
Great, great, great. So, for all the lovely ladies, it's a good opportunity for your health, for your beautiful body. So, just heal it and come to Dr. Lal, have a consultation with Dr. Lal, and get your solution. We are getting another call. We are connecting with the lovely lady. Yes, hello. Yes, আপনার নাম এবং কোথা থেকে বলছেন?
আমার নাম প্রীতি, আমি হাওড়া থেকে বলছিলাম। বলছি আমার পিরিয়ডস এর একটু প্রবলেম হয়, মানে 1 মাস হয় 1 মাস গ্যাপ যায়, তো কি সলিউশন হতে পারে?
Exactly. Be online, Preeti. We are there with the solution. From Howrah, we are getting a call. Her name is Preeti. She has a problem with the periods, like she has periods 1 month, and after 1 month she has a gap, and the next month she has the periods. So how to solve the problem?
Hello, Preeti. Your problem is similar to our last patient, and don't worry, we need to establish whether your cycles are producing eggs or not. For that, we need to do few tests, not one test, but few tests, because your period comes one day, your period doesn't come the 1 month, and your period doesn't come the other month. We need to take a full history from you, and we need to offer you some investigation, blood tests only, and some scans. So we would invite you to definitely join us in Marriott for coffee with Dr. Lal. We'll give you a 50% discount for the consultation, and we will connect you to the best clinic which will offer you discount both for your blood test and for your scanning. And because I need to know more about your problem, like your periods, when did this start, how old are you, whether you had any pregnancy before, lots of questions, so that I can give you the right information, the right investigation, the right follow up, and the right treatment.
With Dr. Lal is coming soon at JW Marriott with the right solution and right treatment. And right now, today is Doctor's Day, National Doctor's Day, and today we are really very happy to have Dr. Lal with us. And my next question is, can lifestyle changes alone reverse infertility in some cases? What do you think, doctor? What will be your message for all the viewers?
Lifestyle change has a big impact on fertility in women, a big impact. Like I told you, we are doing holistic. What are we doing in holistic? We are doing yoga, we are doing meditation, we are doing hydration, amount to drink, we are doing low glycemic index food, and we are doing a therapy. Why we are doing all this? Because yoga helps in the blood circulation, muscle relaxation, and meditation relaxes the mind of the woman so that she will eat well, exercise, sleep well, which in which is really helpful for her cycles, her menstrual cycles, and for her ovary direct impact, and it will start producing eggs. We may have women who are having cycles, periods, but they may not be ovulating. We need to establish that, and lifestyle changes really helps directly in 50% of the women below 35 years of age. Now,
Absolutely,
number
Dr. Prema,
two
we are
is
getting a call. We are getting a call again. We are getting a
okay.
call
Let me
again.
completely tell.
Yes.
Therapy reduces the stress a lot. We are having English therapists coming over here because our center is having a flagship in London, and we have got a lot of London doctors and physicians coming over here. So therapy and food are very important as well.
All right.
Let us
All
take
right.
the question.
Yes, the call has been disconnected. We are waiting for the next call. And for the live call, everyone connect with us with 877 9636 959, 877 9636 959. We are live for more 10 minutes and we will have the questions. So I am requesting all of the lovely ladies to connect with us. We have Dr. Lal amongst us, and we will solve your problem and she will be there with all of these solutions. So coming to the next question, we are waiting for our callers. Please call on 877 9636 959. Now, coming to the next question, doctor, we would love to know what are the most important changes doctors and patients need to know about as per the Royal College London recent updates and guidance in infertility.
That is very good question. That is a really good question. And this includes all the update from the world, because Royal College is the lead institution in the world which trains the doctors and gives them qualifications. Like I have got MRTOG, and I am awarded by the Royal College for a good service in UK with FRTOG, which means I've been admitted in the Royal College as a fellow now. Now, coming back to the message, there was a new update on the NICE guideline. NICE means National Institute of Excellency. They have produced a guideline because in UK we follow the NICE guidelines, and then we plan a guideline for our own center, like we have done it in London, where we have our uh, flagship center, and we have done it for India. We have got a flagship center, and and one of our English colleagues are doing all these updates for the guidelines. So the message conveyed in March 2026 by the Royal College was, you should lead an unstressful life as much as you can. The men, if they have practiced for 1 year, practiced uh, to try to get the wife pregnant, should get a semen analysis done, and the woman should get her ovarian reserve, or AMH, done. This is a blood test. Now, if we look at this, then we can identify what is the problem, if there is any. This is in the case of patients who are not having any problems and unknown infertility. The next thing I would say, that please try to pay attention to smoking, then to um, your body weight, body mass index, then alcohol, and lifestyle change, which is again holistic. You have to do yoga, meditation, walking, hydration, food habit changes. When you become our patient, we have got a special flow with super specialists from UK trying to do yoga, meditation, hydration. We have got the master chef who designs your food, low glycemic index, very tasty, but low glycemic index where calorie is calculated. And we also have therapists to take you to a serene room. The doctor and the specialist would take you to a serene room where they will talk to you, understand you, include you in the treatment, and de-stress you. You and the partner will be invited there. These are very important modern aspects. And one, women who are
Yeah,
above
Dr. Lal,
35.
for our time concern, we have appeared at the last moment of this session. So today, just complete this session and we will come with the question and answers in our next session. Yes, it's up to you.
So the women who are above 35 and not getting pregnant, then they should really, if 1 year has passed, they should attend the doctor, so that, as we all understand, that infertility and fertility declines with age. So Royal College has reassured every woman that if you have infertility problem, you will conceive either naturally, either naturally or through IUI, which I didn't get much chance to talk about, or IVF. IUI is mainly for the tubal block patient who may have, who can, we can take the sperm from the men, select the best sperm. We can induce, we can induce ovulation in the woman, take the sperm and then the egg, fertilize it, and put it in the woman's womb. And the new policy is only one egg to be put in the womb, not two or three, to avoid multiple pregnancy or twins. Thank you.
Great, 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 great. So, thank you so much, Dr. Prema, for your valuable words and time. We are coming with Coffee with Dr. Lal at JW Marriott, and the program is coming very soon. So, I would request all of the lovely audience and the lovely ladies to connect with Dr. Lal by the given number on screen. And Dr. Lal is coming with Women's One World in West Bengal. So wish you all the best, Dr. Lal, from the entire team of 24 Hours TV channel. Thank you so much for your...
We leave.
Yes.
Sorry, Moshmi.
We have a very small time.
Please
Yes, please.
tell this number as well. 8274085006. This is the number to connect with us directly.
Absolutely. So, yes, I am telling the number for all the audience. Please connect with 8274085006. Once again, 8274085006. This is the direct number to consult Dr. Prema Lal. Thank you so much, Dr. Lal, for your valuable words and time.